Hi children, welcome back. Today we are going to learn the long O sound words. Long O sound words. Now this long O sound is formed by different combination of letters such as when simply O is present, when OE is present and in between there is a consonant sound, when OA is present, when OW are present and OE is present. All these combinations give the long sound of O. So let's see them with some examples, children. Now when O is present, such as in G-O, go. So G, and this O is pronounced as O. It is pronounced as long O. So we pronounce this as go. Go. Okay? We are pronouncing it as long O sound. Okay? Go. O, so, N, O, no, no, O, omit, omit. Okay? Now next let's see the O-E words. That is, in between O and E there is a consonant sound. Okay? N, O, Z. Nose, nose. Now in this there are two vowels present, O and E. Now this is the second vowel, so we are not speaking out this vowel, we are speaking this vowel. Okay? N, O's, nose, nose. H, ol, hole, hole. B, on, bone, bone. R-O-P, rope, rope. Al-on, alone, alone. Z-on, zone, zone. Smoke, smoke, smoke. Okay children, O-E, when there is a consonant sound in between, it produces a long sound of O. Okay. Now let's see the O-A sound of words. Okay. O-A gives the long sound of O. So this is pronounced as oat, 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 oat. Oak, 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 oak. B-O-T, boat, boat. R-O-D, road, road. L-O-F, loaf, loaf. Float, float, float. Coast, coast, coast. Okay children, O-A combination gives the long sound of O. Now next, O-W words. O-W words is also pronounced as O. Okay? R-O, row. B-O, bow. L-O, low. Gl-O, glow. Gr-O, grow. N-O, no. Here K is silent children. K letter is silent in this. We are getting only sound of N and OW, no. Okay? Sn-O, snow, snow. Okay? Now let's see the next combination children. O-E also gives the long sound of O. Okay? T-O, toe, toe. F-O, fo, fo. H-O, ho, Okay children, I hope all the long O sound words are clear to you. If you enjoyed this video, do give it a like, share this video and subscribe to our channel. Bye.